Hi and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo and today this is a Toots and Tunes, except there's no song that there's no way I can do that song because there's like no versions of it, like the instrumental or anything available yet. And this song is Rendezvous by Miss Benny. Now, okay, so I've been a fan of Miss Benny, Ben J. Pierce, Kid POV for a long time, and like I'm like a fan from a little game because I saw it on Tumblr a long time ago, and then I just like fell into the rabbit hole of their channel. And one of the things that I always loved was the song I'm Your Dad Now, which can we just give Benny props for kind of doing the whole like daddy trend before it was even popular and when they were still a kid, like actually like a kid. Like just listen. I mean,
no, that sounds dirty. Cut that out. I can't let my mind see that. She'll just going through a really hard time with Timothy's wisdom teeth surgery. He looks like a loaf. I don't think you're ready for this revelation. So get out your birth certificate, kiddos. I'm your dad now.
I'm just thinking about I just remember when that was still new and I was like dying of laughter, and I'm just looking at it now and I'm like, I still think that's funny. I'm that person that's still funny to me. Anyway, so I'm proud of the growth of music. And I'm just proud of how far they've come of also being on like Fuller House and everything. So I'm just a proud fan and I wanted to pay homage to Miss Benny. So here we go. Here's my take from Rendezvous. This is the look inspired by Rendezvous. And yes, you're going to see this is not originally how I intended it. I still do love how it turned out though. So yeah. And the reason I actually did this is I was like, oh, I'm not going to do it. But then I got the Rebel Rose collection and there was the Secret Garden Rendezvous. I'm like, I have to use this for a rendezvous look. So yeah, there we go. And aside from that, I don't know. Yeah, we're just gonna get into this video. I know this intro is really long, but yeah, here we go. Okay, so let's get started. And by the way, it is like 1:44 in the morning and I never record in the morning, so this is just funny for me. Anyway, let's get into this look. I already did my eyebrows and primed and set my lids. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking my Steve Laurent blush, and this is in the shade Rosé All Day. I always forget the name. I'm just going to put that high in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take this nice dusty pink mauve color, and I'm going to place that just lower into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blend that out, and possibly take a little bit more of that blush to help blend. Okay, so being completely honest, I was not expecting that color to be as pigmented or dark as it was. But at the same time, I'm loving it, and I'm loving how this is going to look. Okay, so now I'm going to take the blue shade in here, which is like a nice satin finish. Place that right here on the outer third. I'm gonna be honest, this is the first shade from the collection that I'm not enjoying. This is the first time I've actually let down by Wet n Wild Shadow now that I think about it. But I was able to build it up and it's okay. Because I'm not sure what color I want to do next. I don't know if I want to go with this like pink with gold or if I want to go with the like this shade. I'm probably gonna use that on the inner corner and use this. Okay, let's go. Let's go, because they're gonna like want to get away. Okay, so now I'm gonna take This is Fairy Tale Ending by Wet n Wild. I'm gonna take that on my small elf brush and I'm gonna pop that on the lid. Okay, just to add a little pop right in the center, I'm going to take, actually, I'm going to take the pop and like put it on the inner third of the eye. Let me just clean this a little bit more. I'm going to take this shade right here, so that we have like a nice pink to like champagne gold. Okay, so you have that very nice like pink to gold. And it's hard to see on camera, I'm gonna admit. But in person it's like this really nice like gradient. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna go off camera, do the rest of my face to my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Lashes are on. Face is on. By the way, okay, so real quickly. I do like the Mega Jelly Primer. It's really good on the skin, except for the nose. For some reason, that's like the only place where like it will start to like wear away. So I don't know what that is, but that's the only area I have issues. Otherwise, this is really good, and I need to use it more. You can actually see like where I've like started to use it because I use it with a brush now to smooth it on, and it works really well. Okay. Okay, so let's get back to the eyes. So I'm going to take the navy and the pink, or the purple pink, and use those two down here. Okay, now to blend that out, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. And for the inner corner, I'm going to be using Hypothermia by Jeffree Star. And on camera and in person, it's showing up really blue until I move over and then it goes pink. I'm here for that. Okay, so for the lash line, the lower waterline, I'm going to take this. This is Sapphire and Ice by Wet n Wild. Okay, and now we're going to go on to the lips. And for lipstick today, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills in Veronica. So that's really pretty, but I want to add a little bit of sparkle, and I'll be taking Blizzard by Anastasia, which is one of their holiday lip colors. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to let down my hair, set my face with some setting spray. I don't know which one I'm going to use, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look. My hair is still soaking wet. Wow. Anyway, I love how this turned out. I know I've been doing a lot of berry toned looks lately. I was not expecting that pink to be so dark, so that's on me. But otherwise, this is still kind of what I was hoping for. I was hoping the blue was going to be more pigmented instead of more like that berry color turned into. Honestly, I wish I would have used, where did it go? I had it here, where did it go? Even though I said this is very berry, I wish I would have used the Berries and Cream palette by Dominique, because I could have used like the lighter pink and then that blue, because that's what I was going for, and then I could have used like the eyeshadows I did like for the pops of colors instead. But that being said, I still like this look, and it still suits the song because it still has like that, like the feeling of the song. Like when you watch the music video, it's like it has that old Hollywood glamorous feel, I feel like this kind of captures that in my head for some reason. It does. And it just makes me like, I don't know, I love it. Anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say except thank you for Miss Benny for releasing this song. I love it. I honestly, not gonna lie, it came out like the same night as Thank You Next, the album. I was listening to Rendezvous more than Thank You Next, so yeah, that tells you how much I like that song. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye.